we go. Gentleman just dropped off a 5,000 2.5 to 1, so it's a 2002 005. First thing I noticed, water. See? Yep. Next thing I noticed, that's the magnet right there. Filings are okay, but big chunks of metal, that's never anything good. Alrighty, we'll get to it next week. Also here, obviously the layshaft clutch is overheated. So, but what scares me is all this water. Never like to see water in a boat transmission or any transmission. Again, this is Chris from Hale Marine. It's Friday! And we're going home soon. Well, till tomorrow. I'll be back here trying to get this one out the door, and maybe we'll take this apart, or maybe I'll go and I think I got the ZF63 to build up for a customer in Utah. Alrighty. Telephone number is 804-333-3677, or email me at sales@halemarine.com. We just spoke to a customer down in Deerfield Beach, Florida. Recommended by a good customer of ours, First Mate Marine. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, call me. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe out there, folks. Take care.